Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is a Facebook Live. No PowerPoint today. We're just going to have some fun and make this real for you because March is momentum in motion. And that's what we're going to talk about now. Listen, if you're listening right now, you are with us. And that means you are part of something much bigger. And today, I want to thank every chiropractor who shows up every day to serve their patients, improve lives, and move our communities towards better health. And I want to begin, as always, with gratitude. The work of the Foundation for Chiropractic Progress is only made possible because of partners who believe in chiropractic and believe in you. And today, I want to especially thank ChiroSecure. And there are many generous sponsors, but ChiroSecure shows up every month, has the foundation on, helps us get our message out, creates opportunity for you to get the tools that you need to help educate your public and the people that you treat every day in your practice. Because when chiropractors thrive, patients thrive, and our communities are much healthier. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the theme of the month for March is momentum in motion. The idea is really simple. Health is not a one time decision, and you know that. We want to make our patients stronger, healthier, and more capable and be able to get them the information they need when they need it. Health is, in fact, momentum. And chiropractors play a very powerful role in helping patients keep moving towards better health. The foundation created a monthly marketing roadmap to make it easier for every chiropractor out there to share the message with their patients and their community. Now, if you're not a member of the Foundation for Chiropractic Progress, no worries. I'm going to talk you through how to make social media fun and ensure that you can make infographics and tip sheets for your community. Now, if you are, well, if you're a member of the foundation, you already have a marketing roadmap made for you. How do you get it? You go to the number 4cp.org and then you log in. Let's say you forgot your password. Well, just use the password for the group that you have assigned. If you're a state association, you get a complimentary membership. Or if you signed up as an individual member, use that email address and just forget password. Once you're logged in, you go to the media section and you'll find the roadmaps and everything you will need. It'll be so simple, and today I'm going to walk you right through it. So, week 1, well, that was getting them moving. The first sign is visibility. You can print out one of our posters with which is just keep moving. Remember your walls talk. And when a patient comes into your reception area, did you change a poster or something in it? Did you put up a new key phrase or something that your patients can go and walk away with going, I love my chiropractic office because I always feel better? And that is because movement is one of those powerful signals for our health. And research, as you know, consistently shows that maintaining movement improves joint health, balance, circulation, and of course, neurological function. Does your patient know? In fact, the brain relies on sensory input. As they know better, they do better. So, from movement to maintaining coordination and stability, that's our role as chiropractors. We play a key role there, helping the body move better and communicate with the brain. Does the patient know that? So when patients walk into your office and see messaging of all around about movement, it reinforces the why they come to see you. And that is why we do what we do. Remember, patients often know how to see a chiropractor, but many still don't understand why chiropractic matters. So that's where the education begins is week 1. Week 2 in March, small habits, big change. The roadmap encourages clinics to share simple educational resources. And one of those tip sheets is on optimal shoe fit for walking. You do not need someone out there slopping around in a shoe and getting unbalanced. We want stability, especially as our patients are aging, and we want to prevent slips and falls. So, if you're not with the Foundation for Chiropractic Progress, put yourself together and make those educational resources on proper shoe fit. What does stability mean? How do we prevent falls? And why focus on stability? Well, we focus on it because did you know it's the second leading cause of injury worldwide? That those falls make a major impact not only on their lives, but also on the cost associated with it. Stability depends on 4 things. Are we talking about those 4 things in our office? Balance, proprioception, joint mobility, and muscle coordination, all things that chiropractors influence through spinal health and neurological function. And that's why we want the patients to understand what the research is, especially as it regards sensory motor integration, which shows spinal adjustments can influence how brains process movement and coordination. Yes, we have the research for you. And that is why chiropractic is so much more than pain. It's about function. So let's now move to week 3, see how fast we're going. Community momentum. The next part of the roadmap introduces the Next Step community program. It encourages clinics to organize simple walking or running initiatives. They're so easy to do. It's all templated for you. All you have to go into is the Next Step community program and think about what you want to do and when you want to do it. A chiropractor bringing the community together for movement sounds pretty beautiful to me. It's leadership, it's prevention, it's whole being care. When chiropractors lead communities, then patients lead more patients to your office. And that, I know, my good chiropractic friend out there, is a beautiful thing. It's guidance towards lifelong health. Now, after you've done your Next Care community program setup, well, you get to week 4. Your patients and your staff work synergistically together, and that's why education is such an important piece. And it's why the educational resource like the ebook that we have, Strong, Steady, and Stretchy, your guide to building strength, balance, and flexibility. These materials help your patients understand that health is built on 4 pillars. I call them the quaternary of motion. I love them. They're in Adjusted Reality, the book that I know you've already bought and you've given to your patients. It's on stability, flexibility, mobility, and capability. If your patients don't know the quaternary of motion, the 4 pillars of motion, you're cheating them, literally. If they don't understand how flexibility fits into their life, how mobility is part of motion and motion is part of health, and stability, those great shoes, those stable shoes, that's part of them being safe on the track or on the hike. And then last, but capability, which is muscle strength, this is what we do. And we do it so well that we have gained 130 years of momentum. Use these pillars and work them together. The body functions better, adapts better, and we heal better when we have them together. Chiropractic care, as you know, and the patient should know, supports the neurological coordination that ties the quaternary of motion together. Now, I want to share some exciting news that the foundation has been up to. And one of the most powerful educational tools, which I alluded to earlier, is right now, and it's the Adjusted Reality book. I was just literally an hour ago on a podcast with a medical doctor, and I love that she brought me on. It's Better Life. And that particular doctor, Dr. Pinkerston, said, "How do we get these educational tools into their hands?" And I said, "Adjusted Reality book." And she goes, I read your book and I loved it. It inspired me to make small changes. And this is an MD talking. Across the country and increasingly around the world, chiropractors are using this book to help patients understand what chiropractic really means. You don't have time to explain everything. You do have time to give them a book. You do have time to showcase what a lifestyle of chiropractic means so we can bring more into this fantastically beautiful profession. Absolutely love it. And we need to grow. We need to replace you when you start to decide, I want to travel more. And you need to be able to have that person in your office that will reflect what you do. You need to have Adjusted Reality in your office because it helps patients understand how the body adapts, how lifestyle choices affect health, and of course, how chiropractic supports lifelong vitality. That's what we do. And that's the opportunity for you. Now, I have to tell you, with a very unfortunate heavy heart, we had a book bundled program, but it's ending at the end of this month. The time is now if you want to get a good price and you want to get this book into everybody's hands, your patients, your students, the community. It's now. Don't wait to have to buy them individually to get them out. You can buy a book bundle of 10 at 50% off using the Foundation's code. How do you do it? We're going to put it all in the notes, but I'm going to walk you through it right now. It's f4cp.org/adjusted reality. You're going to scroll down and you're going to find the book bundle buy. These books help patients understand the why chiropractic matters because you, the chiropractor, are in fact the how. You are the one guiding person towards their healthier life. And here's something I want every chiropractor watching to remember: your work matters more today than ever before. Healthcare systems around the world are struggling with chronic disease, sedentary lifestyles, and reactive care models. Chiropractic represents something different. It's proactive. It's a neurological approach. And in fact, we do the whole being approach. And the foundation exists to help amplify that message. We're only here to showcase the benefits of chiropractic, and your support means everything. So if you're watching today, I invite you to join us. Use the marketing roadmap, share the educational resources, lead your community, and help patients understand that chiropractic cares about living better, not just feeling better. So again, I want to thank you and ChiroSecure, our incredible sponsor, and every chiropractor who believes in advancing the profession. If you are listening, you are with us. So let's continue our pursuit to make the world healthier together. Thank you, and we'll see you in April.